Hello, so today's video is going to be about mean, median, and mode. So let's start out with mean. The mean is also called the average. So the mean is very similar to the average. And what we mean by this is it's basically the sum of all the terms divided by the number of terms. So it's often represented by something like this, sigma, which means the sum of all the n terms. So that's starting out from the first term, and it would be the sum of the first term divided by the number of terms n. And what this complex sort of looking thing basically means is if I have n terms, right? The mean also represented by this x bar, so this is also the mean. This basically is the sum of the first term plus the second term plus the third term all the way up to all the terms divided by n. So this is what the mean is. So let's do a really quick example. If I have numbers like 25, 26, 26.5, 28, and 30, the mean would basically be just the sum of these terms divided by, well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So the sum of this divided by 5. And let's see what that gives us. So very quickly using the calculator, that would be 25 plus 26 plus 26.5 plus 28 plus 30. Because we have 5 terms, we divide it by 5, and that gives me 27.1. So the mean, or x bar, is 27.1. Now let's move on to the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. Okay, so if I have, let's say, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 21. The mode here is 16 because this is the value that occurs the most. This occurs twice, while all the other values occur just once. So the mode here would be 16, right? So the mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. Okay, so what if I had something like this? Now you're saying, well, I know that the mode is the most frequently occurring value, but here I have two frequently occurring values. So I have 116 that occurs twice, and I also have 118 that occurs twice. So which of these is the mode? Well, the answer is both of these are the mode. So if I have more than one mode, we refer to that as something called bimodal. Okay, bimodal. Next, let's look at the median. So the median is the middle value. So median is the middle value. Okay, so and this, the middle value, is when the set is arranged in ascending order. So arranged sorry about that. So arranged in ascending order. Okay, and ascending order means increasing order. So if I have, again, let's look at a very basic one. If I have 5, 8, 3, 7, and 10, just looking at this, you might say, well, the middle is 3, so the median is 3, but that would be completely wrong. It's not 3. We have to arrange it in ascending order. So that would be 3 comes first, right? The smallest value first, then 5, then 7, then 8, and then 10. Okay, so this the median would actually be 7. Okay, but what if I had a lot of numbers? Now here I have just 5 numbers, so it's very easy for me to just look at it and say that 7 is the middle term. But if I had a lot of numbers, to be counting up to the middle term is quite strenuous. So there's actually a very quick and easy formula for this. So the median term number is n plus 1 over 2. So n is the number of terms in the sequence. Here there's 5, so it would be 5 plus 1 over 2, which is 6 over 2, which is 3. So this means that the third term is the median, and here first, second, third term, 7 is the median. Now don't confuse this, the number you get here is not the median. This just tells you which value is the median, okay? Which term number is the median. So let's look at another example. If I have, let's say, 50, 56, 53, 49, 54, 60, okay? Again, to find the median, first we have to arrange it in ascending order. So the smallest number is 49, followed by 50, followed by 53, then we have 54, 56, and 60. Okay, now that we have it in ascending order, we need to find out which term would be the median. And to do that, again, I use n plus 1 over 2. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So that would be 6 plus 1 over 2. That is 7 over 2. And here you see that there is a problem. 7 doesn't divide by 2, so it shows that what we're going to have is a decimal. So what does that mean? 3.5. So 3.5 is between the third and the fourth term, right? So 3.5 is in the middle of the third and the fourth term. So this means that the median is going to be the average of the third and the fourth term. So here that would be the average of the first, second, third, and the fourth term. So average again is 53 plus 54 over 2, and that would be the median. Okay, so if we have an even number of terms, then the median would be the average of the middle term. So 53 plus 54 over 2, that is 53.5, and that would be the median. Thank you for watching.